Artless, wild, you stand unbound, grace on your skin, like rain on ground. I trace the edge of what you are, a star so near, it burns the dark. And I go deeper where your name won't stay, through bone and memory, through the heat and haze. You pull the silence from the oldest place, a tremor rising in the face of grace. On the volcano, you call me in. On the volcano, I break and begin, pure as the fire, soft as the snow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. On the volcano, time opens wide. Volcano, we let it collide, past and future, one trembling glow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. The black hole hums at the edge of sight, the earth still aches under heaven's light. Your untamed soul won't be named by fear, it asks the world to come closer here. And every scar turns to a line of gold, every old wound starts to loosen hold. You are the question and the answer to the human ruin made holy through you. On the volcano, you call me in. On the volcano, I break and begin, pure as the fire, soft as the snow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. On the volcano, time opens wide. Volcano, we let it collide, past and future, one trembling glow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. At the highest peak where the centuries lean, I hear the whole of life in a single breath. Between what was, what will be, meet in your eyes, and all the old grief learns how to fly. On the volcano, you call me in. On the volcano, I break and begin, pure as the fire, soft as the snow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. On the volcano, time opens wide. We let it collide, past and future, one trembling glow. Volcano Halo, you make me go. Artless, wild, you stay untamed, grace in the ash, and still you remain.